Kim's Farmhouse Live. Today I'm going to do a fall home tour. I'm going to take you around my living room, dining area, and kitchen and show you all the fall decorations that I have. I will try to tell you where each thing came from, if I can remember. I hope y'all enjoy this video. And I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. And please give me a like and hey, comment. I love comments. So anyways, let's get this tour started. Okay, y'all, here is my coffee table. I have these pumpkins and the little leaves. They all came from Walmart. This cute little Grateful, Thankful, Blessed came from Walmart last year only for $1.97. This little pumpkin over to the side, this little metal pumpkin with the candle in the middle, actually came from like a garage sale. A friend of mine gave it to me. She got from a garage sale. And the tray is actually an old picture that my sister gave me that I no longer hang on my wall, but I use it as a tray. Then, I'm going to show y'all this. It's actually a table runner that says give thanks on each end. It's really cute. I put it on this table because it won't really work on my kitchen table very well, and I needed something here, so I think this will be okay. I think it's cute. Okay, y'all, this is like my little TV cabinet, and the little container back here, I keep up here all the time. I just change the flowers out depending on the season, and that actually came from the spring collection or whatever at Hobby Lobby, and I got it after the holidays, about a year ago or something. These flowers, I believe they came from Walmart, the little pick there. All of these little pumpkins like this all came from Walmart. They came in little bags, I believe. These two things came from Hobby Lobby, as did, I believe, this picture. That or a friend of mine might have gotten it at a garage sale.
And it says, Happy Fall, y'all.
These two little pumpkins, the ceramic ones, came from Dollar Tree last year. And so that's there. Now, in here, y'all, is my fireplace, the mantle part of it. We have the little sign here that says Gather Together that came from Dollar Tree. The sign that says in all things give thanks, I keep up all year round. It was from Hobby Lobby. This big pumpkin here, I can actually plug in and light it up. I just need to get a cord to it. And my friend gave it to me. And all of these little pumpkins you see, like I said, I believe all came from Walmart in those little bags.
She has a ton.
I have a ton, but I still think
That's
I need
why I
more.
like every single pumpkin.
Yeah, this little, I keep this out year round, and this, I just kind of change it up to suit whatever holiday or whatever time of year. I got this little thing from Hobby Lobby, as I did this.
And you cannot forget this little thing.
Oh, this little thing also, I believe, was from either Dollar Tree or Walmart. I can't remember. And y'all, this right here, if you can get to your Hobby Lobby, I still have the price tag on it. I was going to get more of these. This was actually in the Christmas area. My Hobby Lobby has sold out already. Hopefully they'll get more in. But this was actually, I guess, supposed to hang on your tree or whatever. But I bought it and I just use it as a decoration. I just stick it in these little flowers here. But if you like the windmills, or you could use it, say, in a wreath or just for decoration, go to your Hobby Lobby, look at the Christmas section, and you can get it. The D stays out all year round, and it came from Hobby Lobby. I thought about putting this greenery up, but I just really like it, so I'm going to keep it up anyway. So here is that. I'm going to give y'all an overview of my living room. When you come into the door, there is the TV cabinet I just showed y'all, and there's my TV. There's our mantle. Fireplace, or whatever you want to call it. Here is the couch. I need to get some fall pillows. And there's my little coffee table. And there's my daughter, Courtney. Ignore the box. I had to do a warranty claim on my phone, and I need to get all that sent back. So now we're going to move on over to another part. Y'all, I ended up coming back. I felt like there was too much on the one side compared to the other. So I basically swapped the little tray with the pumpkins with these bigger wooden pumpkins over here. I switched those two with that. What do y'all think? Do y'all like it that way, or should I switch it back the other way? Okay, y'all. Like I've told y'all many times before, I live in a mobile home. This little area, I believe, is supposed to be like a little dining area, but we don't use it for that reason or for that purpose. We have it as our coffee bar. Here on my coffee bar, the only fall decorations that I have are this little Happy Fall. It's a little wooden pumpkin. This is Happy Fall that I got at the Dollar General actually today for $2. Cute. They had an orange one that said, I believe it said Thankful or Happy Harvest or something. The Gather Together little towel came from Hobby Lobby after the fall, into the fall season when they had everything on sale. And I bought this Thankful sign from Dollar Tree. And the pumpkin back there, actually a friend of mine gave it to me, so I don't know where it came from. And then you pan over here. This, when we moved in and bought this house, the woman left this little cabinet, so I keep like all of my wedding stuff and things in there. But all I really did to this was I added this little leaf garland thing to it. Okay, here I should have taken that bag out. That bag it has my husband's bedding that goes into his semi because he drives a truck, and I washed it and put it in here, and he hasn't put it in his semi. But up here on the top, this is so packed with backpacks, but this is our little haul tree or coat rack. I put this little thing. I have no idea where it came from either because I had a friend who gave me a lot of this fall stuff last year. And I just set it up there. It's where I set it last year and figured I'd do it again this year. Here is, I guess, our little bar area or whatever. All that I have on here, these little pumpkins all came from Walmart. And this little like candy jar thing was from Walmart also. And I thought it was really cute. And actually I got it on sale at the end of the year last year for really cheap. This came from Hobby Lobby. I love it. Now we are in our kitchen. I'm not going to show you the sink because there's actually dirty dishes in it, but this is above my sink. The Sweet Fall sign I got from Hobby Lobby last year. The little pumpkins I just kind of added to the sides came from Walmart. Over here on top of the stove, there is a little pumpkin like hot plate that came from Hobby Lobby last year. And then on my tiered tray, this is the first time that I've actually decorated this for fall. I got it last year around Christmas, so I've never decorated for the fall season. This little Thankful, Grateful, Blessed I bought just last week. It's not part of the fall stuff that they have at Hobby Lobby, but it was 50% off. And behind that, I have a little like gravy container, gravy bowl with some pumpkins. The velvet one, I believe, came from Walmart last year. And of course, all these little ones did, as did the leaves. And I just had this, behind it, the little jar with the cotton came from Hobby Lobby in the spring. This Blessed pumpkin bowl, I love. It came from Hobby Lobby. And then all the little pumpkins and stuff came from Walmart. I believe my cow came from either Walmart or Dollar General. I can't remember. And then you can probably see back here, there is a little metal container. It was part of the spring collection at Hobby Lobby. And then the little wooden balls, or whatever you call them, twine balls or something, came from Dollar General. And I don't have much on my table. I just wanted to put a little something. This little pumpkin, it's a pumpkin with flowers on it. It came from Dollar General, and it keeps wanting to fall over, so I have it kind of propped against my napkin holder. But anyways, that's all I have on my kitchen table. And the reason I don't have that runner in here is because I have more of a square table anyway, so. hope that y'all enjoyed my first ever fall. I hope y'all enjoyed my video today, the fall home. Well, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that y'all will like my video, give me a comment, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. I have lots more videos coming soon. But thank you so much. Y'all have a great day. Bye.